Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. What's up, Canada? Check out today's first product. It's a pretty cool water bottle. It's inexpensive. It comes in great colors. What I love about it is you got 4 spots you can imprint on. Up top here, on the bottom, we turn it around. We got a completely different imprint down there and another different imprint up here. So there's a lot of branding opportunity, a lot of different spots for different messages. It's got the pull lid. Take the lid off and you can shove a t-shirt in there. So this is great for any type of charity, walk, or run. Give everyone who registers a water bottle with a t-shirt inside or just information on the organization inside. Also great for summer camps, whether that's a sports camp, whether it's a day camp, whether it's a sleepover camp. Campers are going to need to stay hydrated, and a water bottle is a great idea. Also great for employees if you want to run a health and well-being type promotion. If your clients do, hydration, and again, drink a lot of water will be special, and you can put great messaging on this water bottle. I'll show you this next product here. They're folded up a little bit, so open up. These are Bluetooth speakers, okay, so I can pair them with my Bluetooth devices, listen to my music. Also comes with a cord, so say I'm at my computer at work at Tower and I need to plug it in to listen to a webinar, I can use these. I can answer my phone when I'm on these. I can turn up the volume. I can change to the next song if I want. The cool thing I like about these as well is that it comes in its special carrying case. So this is a nice item for an employee appreciation program or maybe a motivation program where sales reps got to hit a certain goal. It's a great item to give them, and for anyone in the music industry, it's a great item to give out to top level fans. All right, this next product I want to show you. This is one of those Climate Cool shirts, one of those shirts that's going to take that perspiration from your body, take it to the outside of the shirt, and it's going to evaporate. It's a great polo shirt here. You're going to see we got a 3-button placard on there. Great for golfing events, a golf tournament. If you're bringing vendors or clients in, you know, you have to have tea gifts for them. So a nice polo shirt like this is going to be perfect. And what I love about this shirt, and what I love about relaxed dress code policies at businesses, is that goes from the golf course to the boardroom or to the photo and TV studio, because I'm actually wearing one now under some pretty hot lights, but the shirt has got me nice and cool. So it makes a great also uniform piece. Just don't think it for golfing events. It could be for cafe employees, or it could be something you put in a company store. And the last product on today's Joe Show, to show you this. This is a roll down top waterproof bag. So what you're gonna do, you're clip the latches here, put your items inside, and you roll it down. All the zippers have waterproof coating on them, so the water's not going to get on there. What I love about it, on the back, we've got cushioned back, we've got a carabiner, some hooks to hold things on. It's got a belt chest stabilizer as well. Again, this is great for anyone who enjoys the outside, anyone who likes to go hiking or camping. This is a great gift for them. So if you have clients in the industry who sell camping gear, hiking gear, and they're looking for a gift with purchase for someone who spends a certain level on their products, this is great. Also, you have a variety of options for your branding on the front of this. So this bag offers a lot. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.